Alright, how you doing guys today? Today with Winnie we are going to Jimbaran traditional fish market and
then we will see how it is.
The beaches in Jimbaran are closed, but not here. So
This is Kadonganan Beach actually.
Kada something beach.
Kadonganan Beach.
Yes, exactly. Sorry, I have sun in my eyes. I mean coming straight forward into my eyes. So we will see how it is. I think if this is the place when every morning the fisherman's coming and they selling the fishes to the market, something like that, because it's the big scales. The scales like this one over here, so this is the place. Let's see. Sorry, saying what you saying?
Let's see how the fishermen repairing their boat.
Oh yeah.
Because tomorrow in the morning they will go to the sea and catch the fish.
Job in progress, preparing for tomorrow. Happy life. Kids playing on the beach. Fishermen's. Okay, let's go inside to see the seafood and fishes. Maybe we're gonna have a dinner today.
So this is how seafood market in Kadonganan is. You see that the seller is selling the fish very spicy. Confused. They're Yang ini berapa? Yang ini? 1 kilonya 60.
Ya, kemarin berapa?
Berapa ya?
Berapa?
Yang ini kakap merah.
Ini berapa?
Yang mana? Sudah kerapu? Iya. Tuna ya? Tunanya berapa?
30 mbak. Kerang mbak, kerang hijau, kerang darah. Ini tiram rajungan, ini kerang tangkau. Yang mana?
Kita keliling dulu ya, ambil gambar dulu.
Iya, tuna.
Gimana tuna?
Tuna diambil dagingnya, difilet. Enak itu.
Fresh tuna.
Ya, fresh tuna.
Mampu bapak ini kita What prawn? Prawn? No.
kurang ekornya. Kamu enak loh mbak dibakar ini. Bakal ini mbak.
Cuma bakar apa? Pesen biar makan hari ini.
Apa yang kecil aja mbak? Yang kecil aja.
What's you buying, sir?
Itu aja.
So this is like snapper. I wanna show 200 snapper that we can eat now.
Lepas 10 lah. Nah ini makanan kamu. Boleh tuh.
I bought one this one. So it is for 55.
Kurang 10 mbak. Kurang 10 mbak.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Alright, so I already bought the fish. Now I'm thinking to find a place where I can grill them.
So our fish is preparing and will be grilled and we will have a dinner for today. So we are in the place. This is the market, this door, and over here is the guy when he cleaned our fish and he will grill it. Now he cleaned different fishes. And our fish is over here. Hello. My fish, our fish for the dinner, yes sir?
Yes. So the grill here. So we bring our fish from the market and then we grill it here. Bikin api bu. She's making the sambal. It's like, you know, the lemongrass and then chop 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 chop. Later on we will put it on the food.
Mata terasi cuy.
snapper, grilled red snapper with the sambal. This one is sambal mata. Sambal mata made of onion, what is that? Red onion, chili, and then with oil. And this one another sambal.
Yeah.
I can't wait. And then this is the rice.
Of course, it's right.
Selamat makan. Smacznego. Smacznego, kochanie. Look at the texture of the fish. This is fresh fish. And the taste.
And
So good. And this is the salad, water spinach salad. I put it with my rice. And then you see how I eat. Very good.
And this is so spicy actually. If I will be eat this, it will be already, my skin is red already. But that's sweat and sunburn, but I will be red like chili. Anyway, fish is so good, so fresh. When eating by hand, now this is the very normal thing in Bali with local tradition, so feel free to do it. Hot or spicy?
So spicy, but so good.
Yeah. Alright. Hi guys. Such of lovely people here. I really like the vibe, you know, like everybody are friendly and everything. We are after dinner. So hot, so spicy. So that was the 1 kilo red snapper fish, 2 colas. I still have one. 2 portion of rice
and 1 water spinach salad
and hot tea also. And for everything we pay
all around 110,
which is around, if I'm not mistaken,
$10.
less than 10, around $8. However, you should consider that as I'm white, so that was a little bit higher, but it's okay. I really like it. But normal price should be half.
Could be half.
Half.
If
All
I
right.
go by myself and then go inside the market and then without Damian, he's white. So if I go by myself and then I buy the fish and bargain it, maybe I could, you know, get half price.
Little bit, yeah, half price I think, especially for the fish. However, we're gonna make experiment maybe next time, and we're gonna try to do it as I will wait somewhere and we're gonna make it by yourself, right? Anyway, I really like the fish, and that was fresh fish, 1 kilo. You're not gonna get this price elsewhere on the outside Asia anyway, so it was really worth it. Alright, so time lapse is done, dinner done.
Done.
I'm
Everything
so full.
is done. I'm so full. And then, okay, thank you for following us for today. You follow us when we were in the fish market, and then when we ate fish and everything. Wow, it's really good. It's really amazing day, you know, living in Bali.
Okay, so that will be enough for today's vlog, and like always, see you tomorrow.